Hello, my name is Olivier Kempf, European French translator located in San Diego, California. I am an English to French translator specializing in the following fields: marketing, hotel and tourism, mechanical engineering, software, information technology, telecommunications, and Christian churches. I provide professional French translation, localization, globalization, and consulting services for companies seeking to bring their services and products to the French-speaking markets of France, Belgium, and Switzerland. If you're looking for a translator with the right experience, capable of fast turnaround times, high-quality translations, and competitive pricing, look no further. I guarantee that you will be satisfied. The long list of customers attests of this. I also guarantee that I will respond to your email inquiries quickly. Write to me now and send me the files you wish to have translated. Looking forward to being in touch with you.